I finally got myself a thermal brush. Mataas kasi pride ko. Sabi ko, no, kaya ko yan with a flat iron or like a curling one, tapos with a round brush. Pero kasi, tada! This, I got the pink one. Gusto ko sana yung white. Pero gayaan na natin. Okay, plug her in. Let's turn her on. Sana hindi ka sumabog. Witness kayo if ever. 330 Fahrenheit. I also got myself a heat protectant. This one, it's a Korean hair product. Nakita ko lang na cute yung packaging niya. Binili ko na. So Korean yung instruction. Sige na lang. Oh. It smells really good. She feels very sticky sa hair ko right now. Feeling ko kailangan ko siya i-blow dry. Dapat pala pinractice ko to nang hindi siya mainit, no? Nakikita ko. Ay, hindi. Yung iba. Sige, gano'n na lang pala. Okay. Practice tayo ng naka-off. Ano ba nila ginawa to? Malaki ang chances of mapanat ata ako ganito. Oh, okay. Okay. Nakatakot lang na umuusok kasi. Masyado siyang hot. Paano kapag kabilang side? May mga nakatrap na ba ng buhok nila dito tapos hindi nila matanggal? Or ako yung magiging first? Oh. Okay. I get the concept. I'm gonna tie myself. Usually it takes me an hour to do my hair. Let's see if this is faster. And the last curtain bang. And that took me 16 minutes. So this is what it looks like. Walang curling mousse. Walang anything to. This is just... Natamaan ko yung piercing ko. Nabago lang. Magto 2 weeks pa lang siya. You don't believe me? 16 minutes. I feel like I didn't rip out as much hair as I thought I would, but I'm happy. And she doesn't feel crispy or dry. I like it.